Hey guys, this Mango Girl is here again with the next page from the diary. The page consists no poetry this time. It is simply a letter wrote to someone special whom she wants to credify all her success and achievements with lots of respect and gratitude. If you have the same person in your life, do share this podcast with your name. 2. The teacher. I'm trying to wrap up my eternal gratitude in this piece of paper and to platter to you. For whatever I am is just because of you. Thank you for always being a perfect guide, facilitator, a resource, a supporter, and a true friend. In this fabricated world where all relations come with some expectations, but you are the only one who taught me to give continuously, constantly, and diligently. I want to confess that there were many moments where I was annoyed with you for not considering my menial problems, but now I am cherished to admit that those talent activities proved to be very fruitful in real world of loneliness, selfish people and mean surroundings. You were the window from where I saw the world of wonder and its every aspect. And at the right time, you became that door also from where I had been introduced to the professional world to compete, to fight, and to glorify with bravery, courage, patience, and presence of mind. So thank you for envisaging the virtual setting in front of me of the real world throughout the time period with an obscure promise to be with me all the time. Yeah, we hardly meet, we rarely call, but your thoughts, talks, your experiences do always reflect from my personality. And I admit that. Thank you. Thank you for making me bold to face criticism. Thank you for making me loyal toward my intuitions. Thank you for making me grateful toward the occupation. Thank you for making me flexible to accept every adaptation. Thank you for teaching me always to value inner peace over materialism. Thank you for being inside me and in my every decision. Thank you for everything. Thank you for everything. But also a humble apology to misjudge you sometime, to consider you self-centered and rude many times, to contemplate your dedication towards me as a part of job you are paid for that actually was not, of course. Your all the learnings and blessings have made me to be at socially respectable and self-admirable position to live a life in my style. That is, when it made me realize that teaching is just not a job kind. It is actually a life. To look over and to be responsible for many lives with a lot of patience and a smile. Thank you again for having me, and I promise you to lead the learnings that you have sprouted in my inside will be carried forward throughout my life. And of course, I promise you to give this letter in person very soon. Love and regards, your student, Mango Girl. And of course, Happy Teacher's Day. Thank you for always being nice to me. Sarangaya.